What is going on, guys? Today I got some stuff from Knoebels Amusement Resort that I ordered on their online store and that I want to unbox and show you guys. Well, I already kind of opened it, but I just want to really take it out of the box for real and show it to you guys. So I got the 100th anniversary cup. It looks really nice, actually. I think Knoebels should continue to do these, actually, because yeah. And I cannot wait to use this at Knoebels, and yeah. And I got a Knoebels drawstring bag. So when I ordered the Souvenir cup, I thought, you know what? I should probably have a Knoebels drawstring bag to use at Knoebels, like when I want to go in Crystal Pool. So now I have it to put my bathing suit and towel in if there's visits where I want to go in Crystal Pool now. So I won't have to lug around something heavy because whenever I would go in Crystal Pool on my visits last year, I would have to put it in this Knoebels Toto bag, actually, and so yeah. Now I have a Knoebels drawstring bag to put it in, so I don't have to feel like I'm lagging around something heavy. I could just put it on my back, and yeah. If you can't tell by this merch I got, I am just beyond excited for Knoebels' 100th anniversary season, and just a new season at Knoebels in general, and I just really love visiting Knoebels. It's my favorite park in PA. So, with that being said, that basically concludes the unboxing and show off on everything, on every piece of Knoebels gear I got leading up to the 100th anniversary season. It's 50 days until Knoebels opens as of when this video is being made, so that works out perfect. It's 50 days, getting closer, guys. And so anyway, that concludes this unboxing video of the Knoebels gear I got. Make sure to reply to me your thoughts on this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more coming soon here to Coaster Plus Music 19. And make sure to go check out my merch store on YouTube Shopping. There should be several products tagged in at least my recent videos, if not all my videos. So yeah, and make sure to subscribe if you're new and turn on post notifications so you will not miss when I upload a new video. And I now do membership, so here's how it works. The yellow level, which is only $2.99 a month, gives you royalty-free badges, emojis, members-only shorts, and early access to new videos. And the green level, which is only $5.99 a month, gives you all the benefits of the yellow level, plus a member shout-out. So, if you want a membership, what are you waiting for? Become a member of Coaster Plus Music 19 today, and I will see you in the next.